Hello students, in previous class we discussed about characteristics of object-oriented programming language. Yes, in today's class we will learn advantage of OOPS and disadvantage of OOPS. First we will see advantage of OOPS one by one. The programs are modularized. The programs are modularized into a principle of classes and objects. Yes, the object-oriented programs are mainly emphasized on classes and objects. The classes are the template. It contains a set of objects and connect or declare with both data members and member functions together. And objects are the building block diagrams to implement the program with classes. Linking code and object. Linking code and object allows object to share common code. This reduces the code duplication and code reusability. Next one is creation and implementation of OOP is easy and data abstraction. It separates object specification definition and object implementation definition without knowing its essential features background. Data encapsulation, which wraps both data members and member functions into a single unit, is called data encapsulation. Easier to develop complex software due to or through using the concept of inheritance. Therefore, it is easier to develop complex software. In inheritance concept, we can create a number of classes and acquiring the properties of one class to the another class is very easy. Therefore, the complex programs are implemented using the concept of inheritance. Next one is OOP can communicate through message passing. When the functions, number of functions are declared and defined in the classes, those functions are called using object, and when the functions are called through object, then it connects to the class where it is defined and declared, and it connects to the main function at the run time through concept of message passing. These are advantage of OOPS. Next one is disadvantage of OOPS. Larger program size. You are creating a complicated programs, means the program length is larger. It is one disadvantage of OOP. The next is slower program. When the program length is larger, then it reduces the execution time. Therefore, it is slower program execution. Not suitable for all types of programs. The object-oriented programs are not suitable for all type of programs. It is suitable for only object-oriented. Object-oriented like graphical user interface applications and system-oriented applications like operating system and real-time system applications. Yes, computer graphic applications, artificial intelligence applications, simulation and model applications, and embedded applications. And it is not suitable for structure-oriented applications. And to convert real-world problem into objects is very difficult. And OOP software development, debugging and testing tools are not standardized. When you created a complicated problem, or when you are solving a complicated problem or complex program, that time development of program and debugging of program and testing of program is very difficult because of these tools are not standardized. Polymorphism and dynamic binding also requires function calls more at run time. Next topic is application of OOPs. There are many more applications: computer graphics applications, CAD/CAM software, object-oriented database, user interface design, real-time system, simulation and modeling, artificial intelligence, client-server systems. The computer graphics applications mainly used for video making, image processing, gaming applications. Next, the CAD/CAM software. The CAD stands for computer aided design. The CAM stands for computer aided manufacturing. These softwares are used to design both product and program specifically for machinery designs. Object-oriented database. This concept is done through inheritance. Then we can create a larger number of databases. This type of application is used in educational department and government sector. There it creates a user data information and maintenance. User interface design such as Windows, it is mainly used to create a operating system. Operating system is nothing but it is an interface between user and the computer, means it provides communication path between user and computer hardware parts. Real-time system. The real-time system mainly used for embedded applications, means development of MP3 player devices, DVD players, gaming control devices, wireless routers, microphones, digital camera, microwave. Many more the applications, embedded applications are developed through real-time system tools. Simulation and modeling. Simulation and modeling is mainly used for creating physical models like input devices, output devices and memory devices. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is mainly used for developing of robotic machines that function same as human being. Client server systems. The client server software runs